Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing an outer tie rod end on a 2010 Ford Mustang. To take out the outer tie rod end, we need to take out this 18mm nut. Now, before we do that, we need to loosen this 15mm locking nut also. So I can't find my 15mm open wrench, so I'm going to use an adjustable wrench. Okay, if it doesn't want to budge, just tap it a little. Just be gentle with it. Here you go. Okay, now loosen just a little bit. Then we'll do the 18mm nut. Same thing, if it won't budge, just give it a little tap. Oops. There you go, there you go. Now try tapping this slightly with a hammer to release the outer tie rod end. There you go. It's releasing now. So continue taking out the nut. Uh-oh. The inner part of the tie rod end actually started spinning with the nut. So what we're gonna do is hold on to the inner part, then unthread the nut while doing so. This is not a perfect fit, but the 9mm socket actually is holding on to the inner part and allowing it to not spin with the nut. Because I don't have any more end to hold on to the tip, I'm just gonna use a channel lock to hold on to the inner part so I can continue taking it off. When you take out this old tie rod, count the number of turns you will be doing. So when you put the new one in, you will put it in with the same number of turns so that your alignment will be as close as possible to the current one. So I'm gonna start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26, 26. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old outer tie rod end and the new outer tie rod end. And if you inspect, the boots are torn on this one. And it's really loose already. Compared to the new one, it's hard as a rock. Also, the nut comes with the vinyl part, so it is a self-locking nut and you don't have to put Loctite if you don't want to. It would lock itself in place. Okay, I'm putting the new one in and we're going to be turning it 26 times. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26. Normally I would put thread locker in so this doesn't move that much, but because I'm getting an alignment also soon, so I'm not gonna put this for now. But if you're planning to do your outer tie rod end without doing an alignment soon, I suggest put some Loctite in it. Okay, now we're gonna slide the outer tie rod in back to the hub. Make sure to torque this nut to 85 foot-pounds. Don't forget to tighten the locking nut. Make sure you do the passenger side outer tie rod end also. And that is how you replace an outer tie rod end on a 2010 Ford Mustang. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name is Arja and thank you for watching.